Customer feedback, do you love it or hate it? Are you someone who only gives good feedback and never gives bad feedback? Well, there's a role for all of this in your business. Now, what I'm going to say is that customer feedback is essential for every business, the good, the bad, and the ugly. But most importantly, it's what you do with the bad and the ugly that matters. Good customer feedback is great. We all love to get recommendations. We all love testimonials and Google reviews and stuff that we can spread out to the world that are great marketing. But when you get a bad review, it's how you take action on that that makes the most difference to your business. And it's something that happens to all of us. From time to time, there are customers that just don't like your service or your product or don't gel, or may have been upset because you increased your prices and they didn't see the value. And that's fine, because guess what? There's enough work to go around for everybody. But you've got to make sure that if you do get some bad customer reviews, whether it be social or whether it be on a survey that you send out, that you take note of it. You look at what the problem is. You've got to take the time. Look at what they're complaining about or what their bad review is about. Work and look at what caused it. Is it really an ongoing problem, or is it a perceived problem from that person? And if it is an ongoing problem, take the steps to change it so it doesn't happen again. I mean, if we've got a client who complains about, oh, I can't get in to see Victoria. Well, what we need to do is have a look at that and have a look at her calendar and say, well, maybe we need to have more opportunities that she can be available. If it's someone who's complaining because Victoria is too expensive, well, that's great. They can talk to someone else. It's up to them. But what you've got to do is take ownership of that bad review or that complaint, find out what it is, find out if it's fixable, and make the steps to fix it. And if it's something that is online, or if it's something that comes through a client survey or something like that, and you have the person's details, reach out to them and let them know that you've looked in, well, firstly, that you're looking into it, and secondly, what you've done, what the actions are, and what the outcomes are going to be, so that hopefully going forward you can have a great relationship with everyone.